this, at the light, you want to make a right.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
And that's the place. You can that's the old town. We walked there earlier.
Right there. Downtown Walking Mall. Yep. Now, what are you waiting for? There's no sign that says you can't make a right turn on red, so you creep up and you see if there's anybody coming. And if there's nobody, and also no one crossing, then just wait until they pass.
Yo.
Good job. She made it.
Oh my gosh, I can't see.
Put your visor down. Left turn signal. Right here. Left turn signal, Bobo.
Sorry. I thought
Left turn signal. Leave it on. I'm gonna grill you on video. All right, it's gonna get ugly. I'm gonna stop the video now.
No. It's good. And then we're gonna bump somebody's cars, no?
Yeah.
And it's caught on the video.
And then you're gonna be responsible for the damage, since insurance doesn't cover you. That's okay. It's some motivation for you.
I still need to stop, even though they already stopped here. No one's passing. Okay, bingo. And then we're gonna go straight.
Yep.
And we are in front of a police officer.
So I just drive normal.
Police.
Flick my treasures on the floor.
Vanya, don't.
You cut that out. No, you will.
It's hard to cut the thing. You want me to edit a lot of stuff?
Yes, I do. All right.
Then we're gonna go straight.
Yes.
Okay, then we're gonna be here. On this side, hopefully they can make it on the other side. Mr. Police Officer. Is it going dirty?
No, they're not yet. I mean, they're using radar, so make sure you just keep it at 30 or less.
I mean him.
That's fine. It's a wicked thunderstorm.
I don't know how to
Right.
the one, shh. So we're gonna go straight. The wiper's still on, right? Okay.
Yeah, they just kind of like make them more frequently. So.
It's okay. Oops. 25.
You could do up to 30. So.
First time driving on a rain.
Yeah.
In the rain,
Yeah,
Bob.
make sure you control your own wiper blades, okay? It's right here, look.
Okay.
It's all the way down, all as fast as you can, all the way up. It turns them off. So, down 1 is every few seconds. Down 2 is every second. And then down 3 as fast as you can. Okay? Keep your right side.
Right side.
Keep your right side. That's your middle, that's your left, and this is your right. See?
Oh my gosh! Look at the sky. Oh, there's a rainbow.
Yeah.
There's a rainbow over there. They can't see, no?
She's so fast at learning. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to say.
The middle.
Keep your same lane. As you can see where the arrows on the roads are, you're going straight all the way home.
Okay, got it.
Good girl. There we go. She avoided traffic. Good job. Turn signal off.
Oh, there's a thunderbolt. Ay, nagulat ako.
You could just keep your steering wheel, like tight. Now the key thing is don't let the rain pull you into any directions. Because sometimes when you hit a puddle of water, whichever side of the puddle of water is on, like if it's on this side or that side, or usually if it's on one side, right? If one side of your vehicle hits that puddle, it's gonna tend to pull your vehicle towards that direction a little bit. Especially if you let go of the steering wheel, the car's gonna like turn, going that way, right? So you kind of want to hold your steering wheel kind of tight and don't let the car pull you towards any certain direction once you go through like a medium-sized puddle.
Left turn, yield on green. But I'm not going to the yield.
Exactly, because there's a lane right next to you.
I can go.
Well, on green. And if you're in a lane going straight, the only time you can go is on green, or on a flashing yellow, or if you stop on a flashing red. Okay? Pretty straightforward. Where are you going across that lane? Keep your lane.
Speed limit.
You can go up to 40, so.
But it's 41. Yeah, it's like the steering wheel is becoming hard.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Actually, make a left turn on this light. So
Left?
get into the left lane, yeah. Okay. Stay in this lane. Now look, you flashing out light. What do? You yield to these people first.
Who's on going
To these
to the
people,
light?
yeah. So
Once that there's none,
turn
I
signal.
can go.
Come on, turn signal. Proceed. Go. What are you waiting for? Pay attention. I made you go into the lane so I can see if you know what to do when it's flashing yellow. Now keep following this road until you go to the stoplight or red light. And at the light, you're gonna make a right turn. Okay?
Okay. On the first light, right
Yes.
then.
Yes. There's only gonna be one light on this road, so at that light, you're gonna make a right. There's a railroad track coming up here, right here. So we're gonna slow down a little bit so you can cross over it, kind of smoothly.
It's okay.
Yeah, you can sense it when you're by yourself. If it was too rough when you went over it, or it was good enough. Like before they did the work there, it's 35 here. So,
Oh my
whoa.
gosh! Did you see that?
Yeah.
That's
No, it's 35 here.
like
Come on.
me. 25.
No, it's 35.
25 is the recommended.
No, it's not. Well, around the corner, but I mean, like, look how fast you're going. You feel safe?
Yeah.
Yes. So just drive. Do 35. That's fine. I go here like, 50 or 60. Not the corner, but this road. So 35 is way too slow.
Too early.
That's okay. You have a green light, so you have the right of way. You make the left or right turn.
Sir. Where are we?
Just keep following the road until you go to the light, and then at the light, make a right turn.
Right turn again?
Yep.
Okay, it's 45
Just
here.
pay attention to speed limit. Don't let the puddles pull you. Just hold your steering wheel. Ideally, the place you want to hold your steering wheel is right below the middle parts here.
The rain is getting stronger.
Yeah, it is. Not really, actually. It's okay. Whoa,
Did you
that's
see
cool.
that? You should take a video of it.
I did get that video, I think.
Sure?
Yeah. Slow down.
I know where we're going. We're not gonna go to the post office, no.
No.
It's hard to see the lines when it's raining. The back.
Yes, sometimes. You can still see them a little bit, though. So. The key is you just have to see them a little bit. And into your right lane, make it right. Keep your right side.
45 here, right?
55.
55?
You need to pay attention to speed limit though.
No, I didn't see it.
Passed it earlier.
Wait, look at the rainbow. Show them.
Yeah, it's visible. Keep your speed limit, okay? 55 or 60. That's the speed. I definitely got that on video.
That's so pretty. Oh, the lightning strikes again. That's so pretty. Make a left.
The
Second
second.
right.
Yep.
Second right.
You're doing good, Michael. You're doing good.
First leg is not yet coming. Hey, it's still coming. It's coming now. Oh my gosh, I can't see.
Yes, you can. Just follow that car in front of you. Or don't follow it. Just get behind the car in front of you.
Here, this
Slow
one?
down. Slow down. The car in front of you right now. What's the car? This car right there. If that car is just turning that lane, but you can't see the lines. If you see a car right next to it and you're wherever it is in front of you, then you know that's the car going straight like you. So just follow it. But you will develop better vision in terms of spotting the lines.
I'm starting to get nervous today.
You don't need to be nervous. It's simple. It just takes a little bit more attention. That's all it is.
Just look at it. I can't see anything.
You're fine. Just when you go that way, you don't drive in the middle of the road, do you? You keep your right side. Very simple. But it's also important to know the road signs. So, you know, is it a one-way road? Is it a two-way road? You know, that kind of thing. What speed limit?
Ah.
First of all, yes, you can see the lines. It's not that hard.
Then next will be left, right?
Yep.
But I cannot see
You're good.
cannot see the traffic light.
You're good. Follow that car in front of you. See the lines a little better?
Yes.
Okay. Now, once you see a light, you get into your left turning lane. Okay. Now, when you're making a left, if it's just no green arrow, it's a regular green light, and you yield to right here, left turning lane, right here. You got it. Never mind. If it's a regular green light, you yield to people coming from that direction. Okay. Got it?
It's a green light, but it's red and I cannot see the sign.
Well, do you see the red?
Yeah.
Okay, then wait until it turns green.
Because there's a sign, maybe they're like.
It doesn't say anything special.
I can't see.
Why would it? What would it say anyway? See the
Green.
green arrow?
Yeah.
See the green arrow?
Yeah, I see it. That's why I'm moving.
What are you getting? What are you doing?
Shit.
Marco.
I can't see!
Yes, you can.